special day, our hearts are full of pleasure. A day that brings the blue of you close together. We're gathered here to celebrate the moment of purest pleasure. We are so low to make your love last forever. Let's raise your hand and make dua like the prophet taught us, and with one voice let us say Barakallah lakuma wa baraka lakuma wa jama'a bainakuma fil khair.